Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about data transfer instruction of 8086 microprocessor. So these instructions are used to transfer data from one source operand to the destination operand. Following are the list instruction under this group, like we use MOV instruction set, which is used to copy the byte or word from the provided source to the provided destination. Then push, this is used to put a word at the top of the stack, p push. Okay, and next is pop. This pop is used to get a word from the top of the stack to provided location. Okay, and next one is push a. Push a, this instruction is used to put all the register into the stack. Next one is pop a. This instruction is used to get words from the stack to all the register. Okay, and next one is XCAG, used to exchange the data from the two locations. Mind it, used to exchange the data from two locations. And next one is XLAT. This is used to translate a byte in AL, means AL register, using a table in the memory. Okay, and in data transfer instructions for input, these are instruction for transfer data. And now I discuss about instruction for input and output port. Input and output port. Okay, port transfer. So for input and output port transfer, in used in instruction to read a byte or word from the provided port to the accumulator. Next one is out, used to send out a data or word from the accumulator to the provided port. Okay, and next instruction is instruction to transfer address. This is instruction for input and output port. And next one is instruction to transfer data address. In this we use three types of instruction: LEA, LDS and LES. Okay, for LEA, this instruction used to load the address of operand into the provided register. And next one, LDS, used to lead or load DS register and other provided register from the memory. And LES, used to load ES register and other provided register from the memory. And next one is instruction to transfer flag register. Instruction to transfer flag register. Okay, for this we use mainly LASF, SASF, push F and pop F. So here LASF used to load AS with the low byte of the flag register. And next one is SASF, used to store AH register to low byte of the flag register. And push F used to copy the flag register at the top of the stack. And pop F used to copy the word at the top of the stack to the flag register. So that's are the instruction to the transfer flag register. Thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.